ordered this PVC valve cover cap for my BMW 2015. It's pretty common on these cars. 2012 and up, I believe. The PVC valve cover seems to be a big issue a lot of the time, but it's cheaper to get that instead. So I'll show you where it's located. Right here, I've already changed my oil cap. Usually this is common, first thing to go. If you notice oil down here, it's most likely not going to be your cap seal. There's a rubber seal gasket along the PVC cap, which is this whole black piece of plastic. But if you try replacing the oil cap and this PVC cap right here, which causes a lot of idle problems, whistling you'll hear, and possibly smoke coming out the exhaust on a down gear or just coming to a stop. So I'm replacing this today with this one I got off eBay, and I should be good to go because I cleaned my engine and I got no leaks anywhere. And if you call the dealership, they will sell you the whole cap and not tell you that you can only get this. I did my research on YouTube, obviously, and read some forums and got to this point. You can buy this whole cap, $600 from the dealership. eBay has them, aftermarket, screws and gaskets, everything you need. Caps for about $250. I will get myself one for the future because eventually these will go, depending on how you drive and how much maintenance you do. Obviously, I take care of my engine. You do your maintenance in these cars, you shouldn't have too many issues. I know 2012 and under had a lot of issues with the head gaskets and stuff underneath. So BMW has fixed that problem and now it's made it easy. So yeah. If you look here, these here, you just got to poke those in. Take it off, take your time. You don't want to scuff up the rim, and then give it a good cleaning too before you put the new cap back on. Taking this off. I'm going to give that a good cleaning. And we'll stick the new one on. Put the rubber in, and always make sure that air release there is facing that way. Oh, brand new. Make sure each one of these snap in place. Now I've noticed with the cover, that the rubber cover that goes on this, let me show you something. So you see this wear here? You can see that? It's like, it's really soft. It's been heat. It's not releasing. So they've designed this so that cap sits in here and the air is supposed to release. Well, there's not enough air release there. So when you cover this, right? And this sits, sorry about that camera work, guys. Anyways, that sits there, you get the point. What I'm going to do is cut that so mine can breathe. What they should have did was design it so that the air would come straight through and release. So now it's building up heat, and that's what's causing this gasket to overheat that's in that cap, causing your engine to give you problems. The same problems if your PVC valve cover was going, which is a very expensive job. So try those two techniques first and check for other leaks. Hope that helps.